the 6th of January 2025. Okay, we have officially started the new year, okay, in 2025. So a lot of things has been going on, especially, my daughter is entering primary 1 this year. So, a new routine that's, changes and such lah. So trying to adapt to the new routine. So pardon me if my response was a bit slow. Okay, and also last weekend I actually went to JB, okay, to meet Valley South Key for a staycation, quick one. So, a lot of things going on. Okay, and not only that, this coming weekend there will be the trading carnival at Suntec City. So a lot of things going on. So pardon me once again if my response was a bit slow. Okay, anyway, okay, just continue to today's session. So for the data, right, has been out already. I believe you guys should know under the members area. So for example, over here, the January 2025, the OHPC, the 100% stock data sheet is out. So I posted here previously, but okay, there are new data coming in from my provider because 2024 has passed. So now the full year, all the data is consolidated. Okay, up to the December one. Okay, so the latest seasonal data will incorporate the 2024. So there are some changes. Okay, it should almost remain the same, but only a bit changes. But okay, nevertheless, okay, go and download the new one over there. Okay, so you can see that OHPC over there. Okay, it is the same post, but under here you can see that there is this V2 version 2 by right. Okay, it should reflect on your members area under here. So go and download the latest data as well. So Kelvin, I seen your post later. I will also go through this question that you have. Okay, once again for this quarter 1 Q1, right? Okay, previously I uploaded January to March. Okay, so once again there are new data coming in, so please, there's a new version, so please download the newer version. So once again, if you go over there, okay, the reports section over there, all right, you should be able to see the version 2 as well. So please go and re-download the version 2. So if you see the version 2, that will be the latest one. So moving on from now onwards, I'll be referring, okay, to the version 2 data sheet. Okay, all right. So all in all, so please go and download now. Okay, so let's kickstart this session. So before that, let's head back to the previous update. The last that I did was on just before Christmas on the 23rd of December. Okay, so previously I thought that, it was a bit oversold market condition, there could be some rebound, etc. Okay, all right. So you can see over here that, not this one. Is it this one? Yep. So previously, market update sectors to watch over there. Okay, so I mentioned about enter into IWM. Okay, I'm still holding on to it. Okay, so the market is a bit choppy right now. Gold, okay, I also holding on. Okay, via GLD, etc. For position trade, holding on into January, I'm still holding on. Whereas for crude oil, I have already exited. So if you can see over here from the Telegram channel here under the members success over there. Okay, I think Melvin also exited. So I mentioned that I exited USO, the oil ETF, with a 1.5R profit. Okay, for the 3 stocks that I mentioned previously, okay, I only entered into Kimco Realty Corporation. So if you see only this, okay, this one, Philip Morris, there's no trigger, so no entry. PPL also did not enter, only enter Kimco. Okay, so for Kimco, I am still holding on to it. So Kimco can see that, previously, it goes up, then came down, okay, but did not hit my stop loss. And today, not today, as in last Friday, it is slightly positive. So I'm still a bit in the red, okay, but still holding on to it. All right, for the IWM, this is the small cap. Once again, also very choppy. Went up, come down, then go up again. Okay, so I'm still holding on to these two right now. Oil, I have already exited. So let's head back to the S&P right now. Okay, this is the S&P futures. Okay, of course, this year 2025, it is a new year. It is a new year. So there will be a new central pivot range for the monthly CPR, and also there will be the yearly central pivot range as well. So you can add in the yearly one, it will be the black dotted line over there. Okay, so right now for the S&P futures, right, we can see that for the new year price actually rebounded back to the CPR. In case you can't see, okay, the new dotted line green is here. So the new CPR it is over here. Right now we are heading into the resistance area. Okay, for Nasdaq it is also the same. Okay, and new year, new CPR also heading into the CPR resistance area over there. For the Russell 2000, it is the weaker one. Okay, but you can see that, okay, the Russell 2000, the yearly pivot, it is pretty thin. It is all clustered here, like almost one single line. Okay, but actually it's three different value, but just that the value is very close to each other. So you can see that the Russell 2000, okay, stopped at the yearly pivot point. Okay, yearly pivot, and then trying to rebound. But of course, the resistance area will be at the monthly CPR pivot point as well. So all in all, okay, we are at a pretty heavy resistance area over there. Okay, if you take a look at the S&P cash index, okay, almost the same. Okay, but just to highlight that the zero gamma level, it is at about 5950 thereabout. Okay, 5950. So you can see over there 5950. This is the cash index. We are at about the 5950. Can see that on last Friday, the high was actually 5949. Okay, just soon hit at the 5950 there. Of course, if price can continue to hit higher, okay, then we can expect more upside to go. But for now, okay, this remain a resistance area, and only also with the CPR as well. Okay, so how is the market moving forward this coming week? Okay, so for me personally, okay, I'm still more gravitating more towards the bullish side of things. Okay, unless price kept going down, okay, and there are more so-called data confirming that it is in a downtrend and such, okay, and market breadth is all pointing all towards the downside, then I will be more bearish. But for now, okay, it is still okay, not the best, but I think that we shouldn't be so quick to go for a bearish view. Okay, all right. So if you take a look at the DP gallery over there by decision point stock charts over there, okay, you can see that the market breadth percentage of stocks above their 20, 50, and 200 MA, we are still relatively at a low over there, okay? So, market, it is still being very oversold, okay? Market breadth is at a low, okay? All right, so of course, price can continue to go lower, okay? But, I think that I'm more gravitating more towards the bullish side of thing now, okay? And the advanced decline line, okay, previously there was the mention that it is coming now, okay, but if you take a look at the cash index, you can see that actually this SPX, the cash index, is making a slightly lower low over there. Okay, I'm not sure whether you can see over there. So if you take a look at the S&P cash index over there, so if you zoom in over there, this was the low over there. It made another low, okay, slightly just below this swing low over there. Okay, all right, maybe you cannot see, but it is just slightly just below that swing low. So you can see over there, okay, this advanced decline, okay, it did not really make really a lower low. Okay, that is a positive sign. And the advanced decline AD volume, it is actually making a higher high. So that is a positive side of things. Okay, so all in all, I think it is still holding. But if the advanced decline line continue to go down lower, okay, while the S&P is going to go higher, okay, then we need to be a little bit more careful. But as of now, it is still holding. Okay, the market is still holding. I prefer to stay on the bullish side of things. Okay, And if you take a look at the McClellan oscillator over here, okay, we were at a low. I said that there's a very possibility that it's going to be rebounded. True enough, okay, it rebounded. So right now we are somewhere in the neutral range. So that is good as well. Okay, so during my, I think my second last webinar, I also mentioned about the, let me see, the 1 month, okay, 1 month, New York 1 month and 3 month high low, okay. So can see over there, okay, this is the link over there, okay. I'll post this link into the latest post as well. So I think I previously I shared about this, okay, the 1 month and 3 month high and low, okay. This is also more for a market breadth kind of reading, okay, to see how is the overall market. This is based on the New York Stocks Exchange, all the stocks in the New York Stock Exchange, okay. So you can just add in the indicator over there, okay. So you can add in this, okay. All right, maybe I do a naked chart first, okay, and I add in the one month and 3 month high low over there, okay. So you can see over here like the previous setup here. Maybe I do a okay, so a very clear-cut example over there is like looking for divergence, okay. Case in point over there, you can see that this is in a downtrend, okay, in a downtrend, okay. This is the low, okay, this is the low over there, and this is another swing low. So you can see that it is going lower. So the 1 month low, so number of stocks making a 1 month low is actually going higher. So this is telling us that the market is indeed very bearish, okay. But whereas from here, this another low over there, okay, to another swing low, it is going down. But I can see that, okay, it is going down, but you need to understand the logic, okay. The 1 month low is actually lower right now, so which means that there is lesser stocks making lower low, okay. There's a lesser stock making another low, okay, which means that, okay, it is not as bearish as what the index is showing right now. So even though the index is making a lower low, but the indicator is showing that there are lesser stock making lower low, okay. You can see whether that's in a way that it is a divergence. So it is the same as the over here right now. So it is pretty subtle. It is pretty subtle over there. So as I mentioned, right, okay, it is actually making a lower low, okay, the swing low, but you can see that this was the high. A lot of stocks making a 1 month low, but here, okay, there are fewer stocks making 1 month low. So it is also a subtle clue as well. Again, these are not 100% sure that market will continue to go higher, but these are some subtle clue that we might take into consideration. So all in all, I'm just trying to say that, okay, I think the market right now, it is still holding on okay. It is still doing well as well. And if you realize, okay, if you zoom out on this chart, okay, if you zoom out, okay, and these are, you can see that, when it is somewhere near the 1000 level reading, it is near a turning point in a way that it is at a relatively high level. You can see all these are relatively high level over there. So all these are marked at a short-term low, marking at a short-term low, marking at a short-term low, marking at a short-term low over there. Of course, you might say that, hey, Alex, this one it is actually coming down again. But you realize that over here, okay, price do go up a little bit higher before coming down again. And of course, go higher coming down, it is making a lower low, okay, but lesser 1 month low. So all these are taking into consideration. So all in all, I say so much. What I'm trying to say that, okay, for now, I am still preferring to hold on to the bullish view, okay, unless new data is coming in. So which that, okay, I'm still looking for opportunity to go long right now. Okay, so for this coming week data, okay, so if you take a look at the calendar, so this week, by right, it is from the 5th to 12th of January, okay? But for the data set wise, I'll just include the second and third lah, okay? All right, so which means that from 1st Jan to the 12th Jan, so this will be the filter that I'm going to sort on the data. So from the data right here, so this is the bullish stocks from January to March over there. Okay, again, this is the version 2 one. This is the version 2 one. So please go and download the version 2. Okay, version 2. So I haven't seen the ETF yet. So this is the bullish ETF. Got anything interesting or not? Okay, 2 to 15. Okay, yeah. I won't comment too much on the ETF. There are quite a bit. Okay, basically quite a number of sectors. They are pretty bullish as well. I can look through them, and if you have any interesting insights, you can share them. Okay, in the comments. Okay, not in the Telegram channel. Okay, because this is still ongoing, but in the comments, do share them with me. Okay, I will just more focus on the stocks, individual stocks wise. Okay, so for this January, as I mentioned, right, start from 2nd Jan, okay, until 12, okay, until 12, okay. So this is all that there are quite a number of stocks over there. So 2nd Jan until 12, okay. 2nd, 3rd, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, okay. Okay, so these are the stocks for this coming week until the 12th of January over there. So the stocks that I am looking at, the first one will be Microsoft, MSFT, okay, MSFT. All right, Microsoft over there. Microsoft, it is here from 7th Jan to 4th of Feb, okay, for the past 13 years, okay. 12 years, it went up, average profit 5%. It is, of course, Microsoft are under the tech sector, okay. So if we take a look at the Microsoft, let me go back to the original mode, okay. So Microsoft MSFT, okay. So once again, a bit choppy, okay. It has been going higher, coming down over there. There was a good a pullback. There was a good pullback over there. Okay, so right now on Friday, there was actually a wash and rinse trigger. So this was the day where price closed lower than the prior day low. The prior day low, it is actually 420.66. Okay, 420.66 over there. So this is the wash line. Okay, can see that on Friday, price closed above the wash line over there. So let's see whether this coming week, okay, Microsoft can continue to go higher. Of course, the immediate resistance level will be at the pivot point, okay, which is at about 432.77, okay, 432.77 over here. Okay, so this is Microsoft. Another one that I am looking at, it is PANW. This is Palo Alto Network over there. So for Palo Alto Network, PANW, so let's search PANW. It is from 7th Jan to 18th of Feb. For the past 12 years, 11 years, it went up during this period. Average profit, it is 13%. Also under the tech, but industry is under the comms, okay, communication. All right, so this is PANW over there. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, you can see that it also has been going higher. Okay, but recently there was a pullback. Okay, there was a pullback, and just go below the cloud and trying to go above the cloud once again. Okay, so you can see that on Thursday, price closed lower than the previous day low. The previous day low, it is actually 181.26. 181.26 over there. Okay, and then on Friday, price closed lower, price closed higher above the wash line. So once again, let's see whether this coming week price can continue to go higher. And of course, the immediate resistance level will be at the pivot point there, which is at about 190 over there. So this is for Palo Alto Network. And the last one, only 3 stocks for this watch list, MANH. Okay, MANH is Manhattan Associate. Okay, this is also a tech company. MANH. Okay, so go to the data. Oops, not this one. MANH, okay, Manhattan Associate over there, okay, under tag. All right, from 9 Jan to 31st Jan for the past 13 years, 12 years, it went up. Average profit about 6%. So MANH over there, okay, has been coming down once again, has been going up, then pull back, come down. Okay, once again, there was a wash and rinse trigger. So previously there was a hammer candlestick pattern, which is good. Okay, it goes higher and then flush back down again. Okay, and hunted all the stop loss over there. And right now our price closed lower than the previous day low on Thursday. Okay, so the previous day low on Tuesday, it is actually 268.99. 268.99. Okay, and then on Friday, Friday price closed above the wash line over there. So let's see whether this coming week or so price can continue to hit higher. Of course, once again, the immediate resistance level will be at the pivot point, which is at about 283.51. Okay, over here. All right, so these are the only three stocks that I am watching out for. So market, once again, it is a bit, unsteady right now, a bit choppy. So no need to enter too many positions. Okay, I think one or two, I think that is good enough if you want to enter, right? Because if you enter like 5 or 6 stocks in a row, okay, and if the market is coming down, you get all the 5 or 6 stocks all get stopped out. Okay, so be aware of your position sizing and such. Okay, and for those who are new, who just joined recently, okay, just before the end of the year, right, I encourage you to head over, okay, to the webinar tab over there and go through the webinar, okay, slowly lah. Okay, I mean that there are a lot of things that I mentioned, or how to enter, how to exit, to stop loss and all this. Okay, it is all there, and also my 2025 market outlook, and it is all there as well. All right, so tonight there will be the usual Facebook Live and YouTube live stream as well. So for more additional insights, okay, do watch them. And of course, I will also repost the replay, okay, in the members area as well with a summary also. So with that, thanks for watching. All right. Oh yeah, I forget to address this concern. Sorry about that. Now, so this one, okay, this is the OHPC. Okay. All right. So Kelvin actually asked, right, 2022, there's some correction. 2022 was actually the market correction, market crash, right? Okay. So the stocks dip, and Google and ADBE, Adobe are sample and price at the drop. Okay, so the earlier version, okay, it is Adobe, it is not that accurate. Okay, Adobe is not accurate, but Google, it is accurate. Okay, it actually went up a little bit higher. It closed above the start date. Okay, so Google is still okay. Okay, Adobe, it was some error, but the latest version, okay, there's some little change in the date. Okay, which means that both are above the closing price, the open and the close price, right? It is 100%. Okay, it is true enough. Okay, but I just want to address that. Okay, the data provided, okay, it is given to me from a third-party provider. So there might be some error. So please don't wholly trust the data, like, oh, 100%, I will just enter 100% stocks and all this. No, it's not like that. Okay, what I'm trying to say that, okay, you can use it as a very good gauge, somewhere around that period, okay, for Google, Adobe, okay, for example, over there, like the 100% stock, okay, Google, Adobe, okay, maybe around that period, 7 Jan, 24 Jan, plus minus, okay, don't need to be so exact. There could be some error from my data provider, okay, just treat it as a watch list that you should be focusing on. But generally, okay, most of the stocks there, okay, should be okay one, okay. All right, it should be there. I didn't really one by one go through every single stocks lah, but okay. All right, again, this is by a third party provider. So again, there could be and there might be some error. Okay, so my suggestion is that, oh no, don't follow this 7 Jan, 24 Jan, just enter blindly. You still need to watch out for the price action. But this version 2.1, okay, it is correct. It is correct. Okay, all right, Adobe, from 7 Jan to 24 Jan, it actually ended higher. So same for Google, 6 Jan to 4 Feb, it also ended higher. Okay, so trade it. Okay, as a watch list and as an exclamation, where is the favorable period? Okay. All right. With that, thanks so much, and I'll see you again tonight at my Facebook Live. Thank you and bye bye.